Hello, welcome to a walkthrough of the provider view for the Mount Sinai Geriatrics and Palliative Care Department. We here at ShiftSync are excited to make on-call scheduling simple for you and your team. We'll get started by navigating to shiftsyncnow.com and clicking the login button in the top right corner. We have already created accounts for all providers, so you can simply enter your Mount Sinai faculty email as the email address and also use that same exact email as the password to log in. This is your permanent login to access the site moving forward. Once logged in, you will be able to see our organization on the left as Mount Sinai PalCare/Jerry and click on the 2026 on-call schedule. You will then see the calendar interface where you can select your availability for the 2026 calendar year. As you can see, major holidays are marked in yellow such as New Year's Day, and minor holidays are marked in blue such as MLK. You can see all 12 months present here for you to select your availability in, as well as the minor and major holidays within each of these months respectively. Now it's time to see how to label your availability with any specific month. So to start, weekdays and weekends can be labeled as either preferred, available, unpreferred, or unavailable as shown. You can click on any weekday within a week to select those 5 weekdays as a group, and select any day on the weekend to select that weekend as a group. And you can easily toggle between the 4 availability options: preferred, available, unpreferred, and unavailable by selecting the boxes down below. Every week and weekend must be selected as one of the 4 availability options as shown. If you can see the unselected weekdays and weekend, they show 46 and 47. We want those numbers to be 0, and only then can you save the calendar. For this video, we will use the Fill Available button to move forward and save the calendar. However, when you actually go through and fill your availability, make sure to double check every month and ensure that you're selecting the correct dates as when you're available or unavailable, as well as preferred or unpreferred for your on-call schedule. Once done, you can then click Save in the bottom left corner. After clicking Save, you can then rank your holidays by clicking on the Holidays tab. Here you can see both your major and minor holidays. When ranking holidays, we'll start with the major holidays. All it takes is a simple drag and drop. Your number 1 holiday should be the holiday where you'd most likely want to be on call. So for example, I'd want to spend time with family on Thanksgiving, so I rank it last, and I'm free on New Year's Day, so I'd want to be on call there. Moving on to the minor holidays, I'm actually have a trip for Labor Day weekend, and on President's Day I'm available, so I switch those rankings through a simple drag and drop, and then I can click Save. Finally, we can go to the Schedule tab, where your actual on-call schedule will be published. However, not all providers have indicated their availability, and an administrator will release the schedule eventually. A separate video will walk through how to utilize this Schedule tab feature. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at shiftsyncnow@gmail.com.